Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by loading the vector layer and making it editable. This is essential so Qgis will accept changes. Once done, open the attribute table and inspect existing fields to avoid duplicates. You will often need to decide whether to add a new field or update existing values. Choose now. Make sure to back up the layer or save a copy before structure changes, because field edits can be destructive. Now prepare the exact field name, type, and length you will apply next. Now modify the table schema through the Fields panel. Add a field, choose type integer, decimal, text, and set length and precision. Once fields exist, use the field calculator to compute values. Type expressions like concat, call1, call2, or math functions for derived data. You can update an existing field directly. However, you should run your expression on a small selection first to confirm results. After confirming, apply to the full layer and visually inspect a few records. Finish by saving edits and exiting edit mode so Qgis commits the attribute changes to the data source. Once saved, validate field values and run a quick sort or filter to confirm expected results. If edits fail or revert, make sure the data source supports writing. For example, GeoPackage and shapefiles are writable, remote services may be read-only. If something goes wrong, stop editing, restore the backup copy, and replay changes carefully. One key troubleshooting tip is to check provider permissions first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.